Welcome back. So we know string is nothing but a collection of characters. So we already have discussed about string and also different functions that are available in for string, right? Like string length, string copy, string concatenation, string compare, and all this thing. So in this video, we'll be talking about finding the length of the string. So we're going to see the use of the function strlen, okay, and then after that we'll see how we can write our own code in order to find the length of the string. Yes. So let us first declare one string, right? So I said character str, the okay, and let us say of 30, right? Okay. Yes. And then I ask the user printf, okay, enter string, okay, okay, right, and then I write scanf, okay, and here I put percentage s, okay, and comma I write ampersand str, okay. Yes. So then what I need to do, I need to find the length of the string. So let me declare one variable int, okay, len, yes, comma, right. So I write here len equal to stren, that is the function, okay, and what is the string? Str, okay. So semicolon, and then we can write printf the length of the string is, okay, percentage s or percentage d len, right. Now all of us know that this is nothing but library function. Yes. So now whether this is there in the stdis, it is not there. We require a header file. So I will show you that this will going to give me a certain error saying that strlen word was not declared in this scope, which means we are using a library function, okay, and we have not mentioned the header file. So let me put the header file as include, okay, string string dot h, right. Now let me save it and let me execute. Yes, so let me put the string page, okay, and I got the length of the string as what I got length of the string as the length of the string is 7, okay. So let me do one thing. Let me execute again. I write, page and then give a gap and deka, but the length is given is simply 7 because the spaces are not taking because I have written a scanf function, right? Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me not write like this and like I use a function called as, get as. So get as, okay, in bracket, I write, str. Great. Okay. Let me save this and let me execute. Now I write full page. It is 7, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, right? Okay. Now, okay, I got the 12 character. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So I got it. So I have learned to use the strlen function. Okay. Now what I need to do, I will not going to use this particular what you say function strlen. Okay. So let me again put it like this. Okay. So now I need to find the length of the string. Okay. So let me declare one another variable, say I. Okay. And now what I will do is that I will write here I equal to 0. Okay. And oh, I require I. So I don't require. Okay. Maybe I will use the length only. Okay. So fine. I said length equal to initially to 0. Okay. Fine. So while I will write like this str. Okay, length if I use, okay, let me do it is better to for us to understand. So I equal to 0. Okay, so now while I is st of I, okay, not equal to the end of the string. So you remember that is how we represent end of the string. So I will write here length, plus plus and I plus plus. Yes. Okay. Right. So this is my what you say program logic. So I will say I equal to 0, and I will find whether the first character is null. Okay. If it is not, then I will increment the length. Okay, I increment the I value, then it will move to the second. So now if I say this is Bhupesh, okay, this is Bhupesh, so this B will come first. Okay, str0, then str1 it will come H, str2 it will come U, str 3 will come P, 4 will come E, 5 will come S, okay, 6 will come H, right? And this will go, and the length will be incremented. Once it comes, it becomes 1, H will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I will print the length, right? So let me save and let me execute. Yes, so I said Upesh. Okay, so length of the string that has been given is 7. Okay, so next again let me do save and let me write Upesh Deka, and then what will be the output? Let me see. Yeah, Upesh Deka. Yes, I got 12. Okay, so now I know that this is how I can find out the length of the string. Okay, yes. Now let us do one thing more to see you that let me take a character pointer, and can I find the length of the string indeed the pointer. Okay, so star sptr I said. Okay, fine. And then I said that sptr, okay, equal to str. Okay, right? Or okay, fine. All right, first address also. Okay, or if I write str, let me see, it should work. Now sptr is a pointer. Okay, now sptr is pointing to nothing but the first character of str. Okay, now what will be the change here? Let this be continue like this, so that it will be easy for us, that this is how we have written it, the code. Okay, so this is done. Okay, now fine. Okay, now I said like this. Okay, while, okay, then I write here like this, star of sptr, okay, not equal to the character. Yes, then I can write here length plus plus, and I will write sptr equal to sptr plus 1. So it will move to the next, right? Now what is happening now, this Bhupesh is stored in string str. Okay, and sptr is a pointer, so it will contain nothing but now the address of B. Okay, sptr will contain the address of B. Now if I write star ptr, it will give me B, right? So length will be incremented. Then I write star ptr, sorry, star ptr, sptr equal to sptr1. So now I increment, and now it will move to H. Okay, now again star. Okay, sptr will give me H, which is not equal to null. Length will be again incremented. Again, sptr will increment by 1, and it will move to U. Okay, not again not equal, the same thing repeat. Last the null character come, and it will come out, and we'll write the length of the string is equal to len. Okay, so let me save. Okay, and let me execute. So I write here Bhupesh. Yes, so I got the answer to be 7. Yes, so let me execute. I'm again saving it. Okay, let me execute. Okay, so I write here Bhupesh Deka, and my string is 12. Length of the string. Right, so what I have done, we have seen that we can find out the length of the string. We can use the function strl. Okay, and we have found the length of the string. Okay, and then what we have done, we have used this particular concept, right, in order to find. So I put I equal to 0, so while str I not equal to the null character. Okay, and then we are incrementing the length, we are incrementing the I, then we print the length value, the normal. Then what I do, I using pointer. So I took a pointer, okay, character pointer. So sptr, okay, equal to str. Now sptr will pointing to nothing but the first character of str. So if my str is Bhupesh, so sptr will now point to nothing but b. Yes. Then I said star sptr is not equal to null. Okay. So b is not equal to length will increment, then sptr plus one, mean it will move to the next character. Okay, which is age. And this way until it is the null character. And then by printing the length of the string is length. Okay. So this is very easy question, finding the length of the string. And typically, in interview it is asked that you should write the code for finding the length of the string. So you can simply write this. Okay, and if they insist that you should use pointer, so you can use like this. Okay, so it's a very important question for the perspective of interview also, right? And if they say that this strlen, what is the header file that we require is string.h. And if they say write the code for strlen, so you can write the code for this strlen, right? So this is one code. Okay, this is the code for the pointer. Okay, so I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please kindly share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.